Welcome to the Easy Computer Fixes channel, and this is a quick update to the cumulative updates that were released if you're on Windows 10 for today, November 27th, 2018. Windows 10 cumulative updates for the April 2018 update were released. That is a update for bug fixes only, and it's available as a update KB4467682 showing up on Windows updates. And the majority of you are still on the April 2018 update, so that's where the update is happening. It will bring your build number to 17134.441. Once again, bug fixes, no security fixes in here, so there's no rush in installing it if you don't want to install it right now. And if you're still on the Fall Creators update, the one that was released a year ago from now, there also is an update for you guys, and that is the KB4467681, and it brings your version to 16299.820. So bug fixes, once again, a lot of bug fixes, by the way, of many little things not working right. So check it out, because you might actually have this. One little update for those that are on Enterprise and Education. 15063.1478 would be your new version. You have an update that's KB4467699 for version 1503. So that's much older, 1703, sorry, much older version. And for version 1607 also, the anniversary update. Once again, only for Enterprise and Education. There's an update for fixing, so those that are still in Enterprise and these older versions have that also. So that's pretty much what you have in the updates. Check out your updates November 27th, 2018. You enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.